don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out.
Guys, after
Until then,
the zoo,
I know,
nag-stop over kami sa Glenmore Hotel
probably
para
never, ever, ever, ever,
magpapalamig.
gonna happen.
At saka umorder ako ng drinks. And Evie have some lemon lime bitters and I have closers. Nakakapagod guys. Nakakapagod ng maglalakad. So ito yung nangyayari sa mga turista. I'm a tourist. And Evie is a tourist guide. So bukas punta kami ng where are we going, Evie?
Pardon?
Where are we going tomorrow?
Yeppoon.
No, before Yeppoon.
We're going to the botanical gardens.
Why? Because we got tired already.
Oh, yeah, because it's hot.
It's hot. So bukas na kami. Chill guys. So guys, nandito na kami sa aming room sa Rockhampton. Naka-stay kami sa Glenmore Hotel. I mean, Glenmore Motel, not a hotel. So, kami nasa taas, ang aking apo ay nasa baba. At ipiplex ko sa inyo guys. Nandito lahat ang malapit kami sa McDonald's. Tapos malapit kami sa KFC. Malapit kami sa pagbaba namin, nandito yung Pokies, nandito yung pub. Saka sa likod nandoon yung mga bilihan ng mga alak. Basta nakapalibot lang kami guys sa mga shopping center. So magandang atmosphere. One night lang kami dito, tapos bukas babalik kami doon sa Botanical Garden, malapit sa Rockhampton Zoo. Napagod na kasi kami kaya hindi na kami tumingin doon. Bukas na kami titingin kasi napagod ng aking apo at ako'y hiningal sa paglalakad. Dinalaw ko lang yung aking kamag-anak, ang chimpanzee at saka monkey. I-flex ko sa inyo guys ang aming room. So yan ang aming maliit na room. May libre kaming tubig. Tapos yan guys. Sa baba na yan ay ang pub at saka pukisan. Yun ay reception. Tingnan mo guys yung McDonald's. Tapos sa likod niyan, mga shopping center na. Tapos, yan ang maliit na toilet. Tapos, mayroon silang bathtub. Kasama na dyan yung paliguan. Tapos, yan ang pababa. Ayan ang pababa, guys. So, up and down. And of course, Evie said hello.
Hi.
So, do you like your small room there?
Yeah. I have a TV, so.
Huh?
Well, actually, I have a TV and I can move it so I can watch it.
And this is your.
Desk.
This is her desk.
Yeah, you get room service.
Oh, so can just order your room service?
Yeah.
So this is her bed.
Yep. I have 2 pillows. 'Cause I'm that special.
So
Not
do
a joke, I am special.
so do you like your small bed?
Yeah.
Do you like your room?
Yeah, it's nice.
And of course, yan ang kitchen. Mayroong microwave dyan. Mayroong fridge. Diyan namin nilalagay yung mga inumin namin galing. Kasi nag-aano kami, dadala kami ng drinks. Yan guys. So now guys, pupunta na kami ngayon ng aming dinner. Punta kami sa bistro ng Glenmore. Tingnan mo naman ako. Haggard na haggard kasi ay pagod na ako. Napapagod na ako sa aming trip. So now guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa restaurant. nahulog yung tinidor. Kaya pinupulot ko. Ipiplex ko sa inyo guys kung anong itsura ng restaurant na aming kakainan. Ang restaurant na aming kakainan guys. Ayun, may nag-o-order na. Yan. Maliit lang. Ayan guys, oh. Wala pang gaanong tao. Kami pa lang. Ayan, oh. Nagsiserve na siya. Umu-order na siya. So guys, yan ang inumin ko. White wine. Lamb chunks and vegetable. Hindi yummy yan. And
I have some more, sir.
ito ay prawn creamy with rice. Aywan ko ba?
Go for it.
So, ito yung aming dinner. Parmigiana, Courage chicken bites, and calamari and lamb chunk. So, yan ang aming dinner for tonight, guys. Good morning, guys. This is Dancing Pillow Mama. Now we are in the car on the
Rocky
way to Rocky Market, and then after that we're going to Japan. So nandito na kami guys sa flea market. Mga rabbis naman ang mga ano dito guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. Tinda nila guys. Papaya, $4 a kilo. Ay, ang sarap to. Yan guys. Ang kanilang kalbasa. Look. $5 each. Malaki to. Kung ano sila, may mga halaman. Ganda.
$29.
Look at that, $65.
Yeah.
$29 is expensive. $25 for that one and $15. Ngayon, galing na kami sa flea market. Ang flea market dito ay maliit lang, hindi gaano, walang gaano akong nabili, pero nakabili ako ng mga vegetable. So ngayon nandito kami sa Archer Lookout Park. So tingnan nyo guys ang view. Nandito kami sa tuktok ng mountain ng Mount Archer. So pakita ko sa inyo guys ang view. Siyempre kasama ako ang aking apo, ang aking apo na maganda, but I'm more beautiful than her. Do you agree? Of
You
course.
you keep drinking. You keep breathing.
Of course, Abby, you're beautiful. Your Lola, you remember your Lola's visiting my relatives, the chimpanzee and the gorilla? So guys, so I show you the views. I'm just making fun of my grandchild. So guys, tingnan nyo guys. Tingnan nyo ang mga kahoy nila, napakaganda. Pwede kang pupunta doon. Ay, I'm going down. So guys, tingnan nyo kung gaano kaganda ang tanawin dyan.
Ayan
Dito
ang
kasi
town sa
sa
baba,
Australia guys, hindi pwedeng puputulin ang mga
makikita kasi sa mga kahoy. Pero yan guys, yan ang town sa baba. Baba ka. Oh. We go for have a look.
sa lookout, may barbecue. Pwede kang magluto dito. Tsaka ayan oh, may upuan. So dito sa park guys, tapos may ito, may tubig, diyan ka pwedeng maghugas. At saka ito ang barbecuehan nila. Dalawang barbecuehan nila guys oh. Tapos dito ang walk path nila. Ayan, pupunta kami magtingin sa walk path. Ayan, sandpaper. Yan ang mga ano ng mga trees nila. Sandpaper pigs. Yung pigs guy, prutas yan. Pwedeng makakain dito. Ayan. Ito. So di ba guys, may walk path pa. Ayan. So guys, naglalakad na kami. Ang ganda ng ano namin, ang ganda ng pakiramdam kasi yung simoy ng hangin napakaganda. Tsaka ano yung mabango ang ano, fresh air talaga, mabango. So pakita ko sa inyo uli. Tingnan nyo guys, oh, ang ganda ng panahon. Saka tingnan nyo guys, ang lalaki ng mga trees. Oh. Ang ganda.
You won't see a black cockatoo here. There isn't anything for them to feed on. I'm the black cockatoo expert.
So ito na yung walk path sa lookout. Ayan. Ito, tingnan nyo guys. Di ba? Tapos punta ka, pwede ka rin mag-walk doon. Doon banda, mayroon ding walk path doon.
Names on it. Robin Cathy.
So guys, tingnan nyo.
Then when they split up, you've got to come up and untake the lock off.
Tingnan nyo guys, ang view. Di ba? Ang ganda. Oh. Ang ganda ng view dito guys. Napaka relaxing. So tingnan nyo guys, may mga malalaking rocks. Tapos may danger, no entry doon. Tapos ito yung walk path. So ayun guys. Tingnan nyo oh. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh. Nasa tuktok ang ano, nasa tuktok yung mga bahay guys. Oh. Ang mahal siguro niyan kasi nasa tuktok. Yung footpath na to guys, paikot oh hanggang doon. Yun na, paikot pabalik na kami doon. So, guys, tingnan nyo. Tingnan, ang view, napakaganda. Oh, yan. Sus ko, kung mahulog ka dyan, oh, wala na. Ayan na. Oh, tingnan nyo guys, spectacular talaga ang views dito. Makikita mo ang town ng Rockhampton. Look at that one. So ito guys ang Rockhampton, yun sa baba.
I'm not even sure that's the city of Rockhampton. Yeah, it must be.
Pun.
That's the city of Rockhampton and that's the river over there.
You sure it's Rockhampton?
Oh yes,
You sure?
100% sure. Diyan kami galing sa baba guys. Oh. Ang ganda pa ng panahon. Tingnan nyo ang sky guys. Oh. Okay guys. Hanggang dito na lang. At uuwi na kami papunta. Out guys. Paano nila nailagay yung mga bato na halos pareho-pareho dyan? Oh. Oh. So kahit na guys ay marami ng trees dito. Tingnan nyo guys, tinataniman pa rin nila. Ganon kaano dito sa Australia. Oh. Yung pink na ano, lahat yan ay bagong tanim nila. Ayan guys, oh. Tinataniman pa rin nila. Kahit na marami ng trees, tinataniman pa rin nila. Kasi ang trees dito guys ay pinaka-importante.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Until then, nope, a nope, a nope, a nope, definitely nope, a nope, nope, a nope. Probably never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. Oh no.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no.